in this application, we're running the remote control of the CM controller using the tilt sensor on an iPhone 7 over here. So everything is downloaded. I'm going to start the project, touch RC, and then it doesn't matter which project because it's not using any of the text or any of the shapes. So I'll turn the project on, turn the controller on. So we're connected, and it's working now. Okay. So let's give it here. I'm going to make it go backwards. So I'm going to lift the top off, the top of the iPhone up. Turning left. Go forward. Need to turn right. And go forward. Then turn right. Turn left. Going backward. Going forward. A little bit of delay in the tilt sensor in the control. Not as responsive as the touch area.